Hi, super quick video on how to change the anti-rollbar bushes on your Alfa Romeo GT 156 and 147. As you'll know, you've looked at them and you've seen that the brackets that hold the bushes in are a sealed unit. I'm going to show you how you can break that sealed unit so you can replace the bushes and then put the unit back together again safely. Okay? So the things you're going to need are a workbench to keep it steady, a drill, okay, so this is a hammer drill, a 13mm drill bit, and one of these drill bits, I don't know what they're called, but they're the ones that they kind of expand as you put them in, okay? And then what you'll end up doing is you're going to drill straight through the bracket holes here, and that will expand the connection between the two sides and it will just break off, okay? And it's a really easy job if you've got the tools in place to do it, okay? Okay, so starting with the 13mm drill bit, get into the hole and then just start slowly. Build it up. Okay, and that's as far as that one will go. And then do it on the other side. Okay. Now we're going to swap it over to this one. And then carry on. And then you can't see it from here, but I'll show you in a sec. It is split its way through. Now, if you look, can you see? It's now split. So all you need to do is get a screwdriver or a chisel and just separate them. Or you can probably do it by hand. Oh yeah, look, yeah, you can do it by hand. Okay, so now it's off. Now when you come to replace it, what you'll need to do is get some washers because you've stretched that hole. So you'll need to put a washer on this side to make sure that the screw doesn't go around. I tend to use 2 washers because it just gives a little bit of extra strength, but that will now fit back in place perfectly with the original screws with some washers on there. You can buy a pack of washers from Amazon for about £7 or £8, which comes 15 or 16 different types of washer in it. But now look at that, you see? You just take that out and replace the bush. Okay, so I hope that's helped.